What Roblox is?
Man, nigga, what's that? Robot? I don't know. It has robot.
Roblox.
Oh, Roblox. I still don't know. Psych.
Oh my goodness. Hold on, let me put some on so all this other stuff can come out. Cause why has it got me looking like a fool?
Nigga,
Alright, look, we dressed. We ready. We ready to start. Hold on. Let me stand over there.
Look at my head. Oh, look at your head. Look at your. Let me zoom in on that. What? Look at the eyebrows.
Your options in the phone and the still can't
Right before we get into this video, make sure y'all join our Discord server. It is called Expose. Link is in the description under my videos, pooh. The link is in the description. Go ahead and join. Alright, if you subscribe, there's no reason why you should not be in here, okay? So yeah, join. We got giveaways. We got all kind of stuff we gonna do. Just click the link, join the server, and we Gucci, alright? And if you ain't subscribed to the Explode gang, you need to do that right now, okay? Y'all gonna see that in a few seconds. But anyway, let's get into the video. Hello everyone, I am Exa and welcome back to another video. If you are new, welcome. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and click that notifications bell so you never miss another one of my videos. Pooh, never miss another one of my videos, alright? And today we about to do the boy version of the kid AVI video I did in the last time. So today I got me a guest though. I got somebody that's finna help me with these kid AVIs, okay? Because I made a dude AVI before, but it's like, why not have someone who is a dude help me with making the AVI, you know what I'm saying? So you know, I'm undressed. We out here in shop, okay? We're out here in shop. We ready to get started. Yeah, let's go ahead and get in this video. All right. Listen, boy, calm down. We are recording. We are on air. We are on air.
Oh, for real?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
All right, go ahead. Tell them who you is. Come on, introduce yourself. Tell the people who you is. Come on.
Yeah, my name is Javrell, aka Jav. I'm from the Caribbean. I have 7 children, 3 sons, 4 boys. Thank you.
And what are you finna help me with today, boy? What is we finna do? I already told him, but you know, tell him.
Yeah, we finna make a kid AVI, huh? Finna see how, like, it's been a while since I made a kid AVI, you know? Like, it's been a minute, you know what I mean? Because
real though.
Yeah.
I think I did a girl one, but I ain't do no boy one. I don't really make the boy. But we finna make one today.
It's been a while, like 4 years now. I haven't made a kid AVI on God. Let's see what I have here. So you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Hold up, let me turn the volume. Alright, now I'm ready. Let's go. This is my teacher. Hold up.
Don't steal it.
This is my teacher, okay?
I try on something, don't steal it.
What? Wait, but you're supposed to teach.
Nah, we making our own.
We're not making our own yet.
We want to start with head.
Okay. Whatever you want to start with. You my teacher. I'm always the teacher.
Let's start with the AVI.
All right. We're going to do the scalar.
Yeah, the scalar, we have to go down.
This is what I told y'all in the last video. Scale down first. See?
Yeah, scalar. Then you're going to start with the. So, of course, you need some small ears, some baby ears.
Okay. So suggested because I didn't see it. Okay. We got the eyes here. All right.
Yeah. I'm going to find the ears, the ear. Wow. Damn. You know why, man? I can't even find it. Alright, there we go. Try them on. I'm gonna suggest it.
Okay. Kid ears. Alright. Y'all see this? Kid ears.
Okay. We need a head now. We need a baby head.
Baby head. Y'all ready for this head? Y'all ready for this head, boy? Are y'all ready? Y'all not ready for this. Y'all not ready.
Let's go. Let's put on this. Oh, hell no.
Wait, what is this?
Yeah, that's cool. Woo.
What is this?
Cute.
Hold up. When did this head come out? How long this head been in shop? Who the creator? Miami.
Probably a what hairstyle is the kid wear? What hairstyle is the kid wear?
What?
What hairstyle is the kids wear?
The hairstyles for the kids.
Like, let me try this. Let me find out.
I see some twists. No. Baby's first haircut. We don't want no baby. I guess. I don't know. I don't know what y'all.
Ooh, we twinning.
Look at that.
So now,
Look at my twin. Hold up. Let me get back. Y'all look.
let me find out. Let me find out. Start watching me. Start watching me.
Look, y'all.
Start watching me.
I'm trying to match. What you mean stop watching you? I'm
Hey.
watching you because I want to look like you.
You're looking like a healthy crackhead. Oh God, look at you.
We is 5. Don't do me. Don't do me.
Oh God, you're looking like a crackhead. We finna find a avatar.
Yeah, go ahead and send me one because I was finna find one.
Yeah. Oh God, hell no. No. That ain't it, Chief.
Boy,
Look at this. What do you think about this?
Look at this. This is for the grown men.
Yeah, for real, for real. Ah, here we go, here we go, here we go.
Okay, let's try it on. All
A
right.
skin. Yeah, we need a skin now, you know.
Oh
'Cause
yeah.
You have to look like a kid. So you need a kid skin.
Let's get it.
Let's see.
You play
Nah.
too much. You.
Nah, not that.
Why they chest so boxed like this?
Ah, here we go. How do you like this skin? Yeah, this cute, this cute.
Let me see. Hold up.
Find a mom. Yes, sir. What is this kid?
This
What
must
else
be
this
a
kid
mesh
is-
head
what?
for the kids.
Mesh. They have mesh head for
I'm
kids.
saying this head.
Looks like a mesh. Before it's a mesh. Nah, it's not a mesh. It's not a mesh. We good. We good. We good. So we finna find a top.
Yes, a top. Y'all paying attention. I hope y'all paying attention. We about to get a top now. So
Finna
y'all
get a
better
top
be
because
looking.
some people cannot. Ooh.
Martable.
Ooh. Ooh. Hey, check this out. Check this out. Check me out. Check me out.
Oh! Oh!
Ooh.
Oh my god!
Oh,
Y'all
God.
see both them shoe head? Look at them shoe. Y'all see them shoe?
Damn, I'm a dresser.
We need these
the
heads
head.
fixed. We need a head. We need all that. We need a head resizer
Yeah.
though.
Yeah, head resizer. Here we go. Here we go.
Yeah.
Mm.
Wait, hold up. This a little too big. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, bobblehead.
Nigga head. Nigga. God damn.
Look
Look
at
that
it.
head. Oh my God, with a head. Okay, we need a head. We need a head. How about you find a head resizer? Let's see what you got. Find one.
Alright, let's see. I'll take this off though. Find the skin. Find the skin.
A skin.
Oh, I knew it. I
Skin.
knew it. I knew it. That's who make heads. I forgot.
So you want to wear that skin? I mean that head?
Not with this. Not Hold up, cause I'm still looking. I told y'all in the last video that Snack make good heads, so she make them for girls and boys. Y'all need to cop these heads from Snack. Now some of these heads a little pricey, but it's worth it if you want to look different. Now I think the scaler is making it too big now, cause look how big this head is. Like,
Cactus Jack.
stop
Oh my
playing
God.
with me.
Nah, it's just the head. It's the head. Nah, take that out. Nah, try another one.
Let's try on
Guys,
Jack.
what do you think? What do you think? Her heads are better than mine? Mine's the best.
I don't know. This head look like a kid, but it's missing some.
You keeping that head?
I don't know. I'm trying to see. Nori good with the skins, y'all. Nori good with the skins. I'm gonna keep this skin though, cause I like that skin. You like that skin? Why the ears look doubled? Oh, because we got on ears. Let's take the ears off.
That's yours. Look at mine. Mine is so simple and fresh.
See that? Look. Make sure y'all join in the Discord. We playing games. Monday through Wednesday is when we play our games in the Discord server. So y'all get a chance to play on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday night, 9 p.m.
Yeah. You like my voice?
Y'all be killing me with that doggone what's his name? What is his name? Cause I be forgetting. Yeah, him. No eyebrows. Make sure y'all put on the no eyebrows, my boys. Put them on. Y'all want these kid AVI vids?
They want to be like me, not you. Yours is so extra.
I'm pretty sure they want to be like me. You try to say
Mine's
mine
cheaper.
costs more. Yeah, yours is cheaper.
Look at mine. Look at mine.
They want to look fire. They don't want to look cheap. All right, we gonna dress like you though, but they want that fire.
No, don't just like me. You're stealing my drip. You're stealing my drip.
Yes.
Don't steal my drip.
We steal your drip, but we dress with our face.
Don't you ugly. On God, nigga, you ugly. We finna ask in the comments right now. Who looks the best?
Yeah, go
Who
ahead.
looks the best? I know I do. Like, look at your head. That.
Boy, I'ma steal all the jits with this. Stop playing.
Wait. You see, I have on a watch, a chain, and earrings. Like, what does your kid need?
You just worry about you. Okay, you supposed to be my teacher, but how I'm doing better than my teacher.
Look properly. Turn to the side.
Look, I did.
Who head is better? Who looks the best? Which one? Make it quick.
Let me see what they said.
They said me. They said
They
me.
lying. They is lying. No, I'm finna buy this.
The dark one.
Alright, watch this. I'm finna buy this real quick. I'm finna buy this.
Oh God, I look better.
Alright, you see this? Watch me. Buy. Buy right now. Buy. Come on. Let's buy it. Because I'm finna show you. We finna go in these. You think I'm playing? We finna go into a chat room right now. Who would you adopt?
Who would you adopt? Imagine we just alike.
Yes. You need you need your stuff, cause I'm finna send it to you. You need your stuff. Y'all see the avis? Hold up, let me head back and shop. Y'all see the avis? Go ahead and rate which one y'all think the best. Now in the next one we finna go hit up these chat rooms. We probably gonna do another one. We probably go make another kid avis, see which one the best. You know, you feel me? So y'all stay tuned. I'll see y'all in the next video. Stay breezy.
I'm riding this lace, pulling my hair, you know why I do lace. Cornbread bad, baby, ain't shit fake. We don't need to take, still can't do. Never too famous to beat a bitch ass, still will do. Bad little boo, and she got a fatty, but she don't even know how to make that shit. Man, yeah, hoes too.